I need an upgrade. Alright guys, this is my new Empire Mini GS, and if y'all want to see more paintball content, let me know, because I've been rocking this gun for a month now, and all I can say is that I freaking love this gun. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more paintball content. So let's go ahead and get into the video though. Alright guys, so if you saw last video, you were seeing that we went ahead and painted this Beetle, and like it came out super amazing. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this Beetle to a car show, so we can go ahead and show off this brand new paint job so the people can see it. So let's go ahead and go to this car meet.
Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me what I feel. Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me what I feel.
Alright guys, so yeah, saw that car was super cool. We were to take the Beetle, got a bunch of people's reactions. It was so freaking cool. But now that we're done with this, we're gonna go ahead and work on the white truck. Since we're almost done with it, we have all the parts we need. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this, put this aside since we're done with it, and bring in the white truck again. If y'all remember, we put that big 600 horsepower engine. But as always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video for more future content. And also let me know if you want to see more paintball content. But I'll see you on next time.